Okay, we have it put back together. Now we're waiting 30, 40, 50, 60 minutes here to let the silicone dry and to make sure all the glue joints are hardened. I also noticed I had purchased another gauge years ago, and I thought I'd replace it. And I at first I did think it was important, and so we decided to replace it because I had the new gauge, unscrewed it, siliconed it, screwed the new one back in. But they don't last very long. We have very hard water, so I'm not sure how long it'll last, but for right now it should work. And so then the thing is, we haven't had a working gauge in years, and the thing is, it's not really needed. And that's because you have a pressure tank right here. And on the pressure tank is a regular, well, it's on there pretty good, but it's a regular tire gauge connector. So if you unscrew this, which I screwed it on pretty tight, I know I did. If you unscrew that, you can test the pressure of your pressure tank with a tire gauge. And if that reads 40, then when this tank is full and the pump stops, then you have 40 psi in your water system. So in a way, this gauge is only telling me what I can read right here with a tire gauge. So honestly, it's really not needed. I did have it brand new. It's been in the box for years and years. So we decided to change it. And we'll see how long it holds up in the hard water situation. But if you don't have a working gauge, but most likely your pressure tank has a stem on it just like a tire does. Okay, we're going to wait a little longer and then we'll turn the water pump on and hopefully we're good to go. I wiped down some of the water that had come out of the hoses, so that should dry fairly quickly. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Give it some more time and then we can turn it on.